What's the meaning of chimney piece? Chimney piece. Chimney piece.
Chimney piece. Chimney piece. A chimneypiece, also known as a mantelpiece or fireplace mantel, is a decorative structure that surrounds and protrudes from a fireplace. It usually serves as a shelf for displaying decorative objects like vases, picture frames, or clocks. Chimneypieces can be made from various materials such as wood, stone, or marble, and can range in style from traditional to modern. They are a popular feature in homes and are often used as a focal point in living areas, adding both aesthetic appeal and functional value to a space.